Hello everyone! You are at a decisive moment in your curriculum where you can choose what interests you the most. The various courses you have taken may have led you to this conclusion. Biology now generates a phenomenal amount of data. This paradigm shift requires knowing how to filter, process, and analyze this flood of biological information. What do we do, for example, with the complete sequence of a genome, the thousands of images of a cell culture, or the geographical occurrences of a species? How to transform this flow of raw data, these terabytes of numbers, into a real scientific discovery, a model to predict the living, or a test of a biological hypothesis? This is what you will learn in Module 6, Modeling in Biology and Bioinformatics. These modules give you the tools to translate the laws of life into mathematical and computer language. This module goes beyond theory. It is the basis of quantitative biology, essential if you are targeting research, the pharmaceutical industry, or biotechnology startups. This is where biology meets computer coding, machine learning, and applied mathematics. The core of this module is the acquisition of concrete technical skills. You will consolidate your mastery of programming, which is now the vehicular language of modern science. We will dive into algorithm and advanced programming. No more simple scripts. You will learn to write robust and effective programs capable of managing massive datasets, the kind that you will use during your master's or in a research laboratory. In parallel, you will be initiated to image analysis. Since the images you take under the microscope are complex data, we will show you how to segment and quantify them to extract precise numerical information on cell morphology or dynamics. It is a valuable skill for histology, pathology, or developmental biology. Then, we will move on to the predictive part. Imagine being able to predict the function of a protein or the toxicity of a molecule without spending weeks in the laboratory. This is the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Introduction to machine learning will teach you how to train models to identify subtle patterns in omic data. These tools are the new eye of the researcher, capable of seeing correlations that are too fine for the human mind. Then we will address the theoretical core: mathematics in biology, Markov models, and Bayesian inferences. This is where we give meaning to probability by learning to quantify uncertainty and to integrate our knowledge into analysis. These are powerful approaches to understand the spread of a gene or the mechanism of an infection. This module takes a hands-on, practice-first approach, and you will spend more time coding than listening. The highlight of this module is the Modeling and Bioinformatics project. This is not a theoretical exam, but your chance to choose an exciting biological questions in ecology, biomedicine, or genomics, and put your newly acquired tools into practice through an independent, research-style mini-project. Think about the impact. Whether you are aiming for a master's degree in behavior, evolution and conservation, molecular life science, or medical biology, this module is a decisive asset. UNIL and CHUV laboratories are looking for students who are not only good biologists, but excellent data analysts. By choosing this module, you invest in the most essential skill, the ability to understand and predict the living through the quantitative prism. Come learn to control the flow of information, not just by asking questions, but by designing the models to answer them.